I'm Nancy with the FoodWise program with the University of Wisconsin Extension program. Tonight, I'm going to make a great, easy recipe using lentils. How many of you have a bag of these in your pantry? A lot of you do, I know. So this is what we're going to do. I have a little oil heated up here, and I've got some onion chopped, and I'm going to add some onion to my oil and some garlic. You can use fresh garlic, chopped garlic, any type of garlic you want to use. And I'm going to brown that. While that is browning, getting nice and tender and soft, I'm going to rinse my lentils. Lentils are great because you don't have to soak them overnight, but you do want to rinse them. So I just put them in a cup. I'm going to add some water here. I'm just going to swish them around. Make sure that there's no particles or anything left in there from the processing. And once I do this, any extra items or any debris will float to the top, and I can slowly drain that out. Now my lentils are ready to go. That's it. So my onions are almost ready for me to add the lentils to. Get them nice and brown and tender. So I'm going to add my cup of lentils to this, along with 3 cups of water. And this recipe calls for only a half of a package. I'm using a low salt seasoning, and a half a package. This is about 2 tablespoons. Oftentimes, I actually even make my own. Once I bring this to a boil, I'm going to turn down the heat and we're going to let it cook for 30 minutes. So my lentils have been simmering for about 30 minutes. They're nice and tender. They smell amazing. I warmed my corn tortillas in the oven so they're nice and warm and soft. All I'm going to do is fill my shell with the nice cooked lentils and whatever toppings I like. Tonight, I prepared some cheese, some peppers, lettuce, and topped with a little salsa. And I'm going to round out my meal with some peaches and yogurt. Delicious. Enjoy. Give it a try. Let me know what you think. See you next time.